Hey YouTube, this is Admin Watcha, and I'm filming a takeoff, a 737 Westjet from YVR to Palm Springs. In Vancouver it was sort of rainy this morning, but it sort of broke through. As you can see, there's a bit of sun poking through those clouds right there. Here we go, there's the runway. Oh, there's another Westjet right there. That's a smaller plane than ours though. We have the 800, I think that's the 700 or 600. Probably waiting for clearance. Here we go. Engines are spooling up. Not sure if you can hear them or not, but here they go. Whoa. Here we go. Vancouver. Thank you for watching. Admin Watcha. See ya.